Eagle sitting on the cove, fishing. It's over there. On top of the tree over there. He's a young one. He doesn't have his white head yet. Make some noise. Make him fly away.
Hey bird, get off that tree!
There he goes.
See? That always works.
Fuck, you talk to animals.
I know.
You're like a real full-blood Indian, eh?
Oh, I am, eh?
You're a spirit talker, eh? Told the bird to fly away. Give me 10 minutes. Oh boy.
I'm the fire keeper of the wind.
Dandelion. Fuck, look at that, eh? Just like glass. I see fish jumping over there.
So where's the sandbar? How far is it?
Sandbar's right there. And it goes out 40 yards into there. So it goes straight out 40 yards. See where it's splitting there? You can kind of see it.
Yeah.
Where the current's splitting, that's the sandbar.
Okay.
Nice, huh? Hard to believe we own this fucking place. I'm gonna get the next 30 acres next door, and I'm gonna get the other 10 acres next door to me. Gonna own this whole fucking cove and start lobster fishing. That's my plan for my kids. Try to build a little future for them since they're allowed to lobster fish. And this is a in commercial fishery area. Can't find a job, might as well build one for them. Fucking love it. I'm in no goddamn hurry, that's for sure. I got all the time to watch my kids grow. He wants to build a cabin here too when he comes back from the military. You never know, he might marry her and have his kids play here too. I ain't doing this for money. Herney land soon. Abokjik, Sawage land. We'll put a little Lejeune in there too. Yeah, 60 acres should do us. Of creeks and ponds and lakes and deer bedding and young weddings. That's the boom right there. You get out of the boom, that's where the lobster are. You hear the frogs?